Thank you, Denise. Despite being absent from the Reggae Boys delegation to play in the upcoming 4-team friendly series in Austria, coach Paul Hall could return to the setup soon. According to Hall's agent Fitzroy Simpson, talks have been positive.
It's been 2 months since Paul Hall's contract with the JFF and the Reggae Boys ended, following Jamaica's 1-1 draw with Mexico in the CONCACAF Nations League. However, Hall's agent and former national teammate Fitzroy Simpson says there are positives in their discussions.
I've had very positive conversations with the Federation. I've had 3 or 4 personal meetings with the JFF. There's a new chapter. It's a new beginning in 2023. They've showed a will for Paul to be the head coach. They said they have no other candidate, and we're discussing this. I don't discuss anything else because they've got to respect his employees right now.
According to Simpson, the upcoming friendlies came at a time that is not suitable for Hall, who is employed by Queen's Park Rangers in England. This especially that it doesn't fall within the international window.
It has to be respected by that. This isn't an international window. It's very difficult. He's got an obligation to his employers. He had 10 years service, QPR. Respect is something that we don't take lightly in England.
Hall had taken over from former coach Theodore Whitmore in December 2021 during Jamaica's failed World Cup qualification campaign. Keon Rayner reporting for TVJ Sports.